Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you another type of crochet back strap, back cord or cord for a bracelet like this. If you make this cord or strap with this thin yarn, you can make bracelets like this or thicker yarn like this. It will be thicker and sturdy for your crochet bags, and this is 4mm crochet hook yarn, and it will be like this. You can use this for mini crochet bags, crossbody bags, or you can use this as a cord. Today I'm going to show you this cord with this macrame yarn, and I'm going to use 6mm crochet hook. Take the yarn, start with the slip knot as usual. We just need 2 chains. Chain 1, chain 2. So that's 2 chain I did. Always when you do straps, you just do the chains a little bit looser, not tighter. So now we have 2 chains. Now we are going to use the second chain. Now pull through, pull over the yarn. Now we got 2 chains in the hook. Pull through the yarn, just like that. This is like you did single crochet, just 2 chains and single crochet. I'll just repeat again. Slip knot, chain 2, 1, 2, 2 chains, pull through the yarn like you do single crochet. Make sure these 2 loops are loose. Pull through the yarn like a single crochet. Now we have chain in the hook, and we created 1 chain with the 2 single crochet. Now turn your work around like this. You're not putting a chain 1 or something, you are just like that. Turn your work around. Now you can see the chain we created. So now use this chain, put your hook over, pull through the yarn, 2 chains in the hook, pull through the yarn like you do single crochet. So always make sure you're keeping it loose, so it's easy for you to do the cord or strap. Now turn this around. Now you can see the chain you created. Pull through the yarn. Now you have 2 chains. Make sure it's loose. 2 chains. Pull through the yarn. Now you created 1 chain. Just turn it around. Now pull through the yarn through the chain you created. Always keep it loose. Pull through. Now we have 2 chains and pull through the yarn, and we create a chain. This is as simple as this, just 2 chains and 1 single crochet, and you turn your work around and you continue single crochet. Turn your work around. Now keep going until you reach your desired length for the strap or cord for your project. That's it. Nice, beautiful and sturdy strap for your crochet bag. Quick and easy. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe if you like my crochet bag straps. I'm going to post more types of bag strap in coming weeks.